Hello children, a very good morning to you all. How are you all? I hope you are all staying safe and fine, right? Okay, welcome to grade 2 English. So today we are going to see the revision part for the terminal exam 1 for unit 2 poem I am lucky. So hope you all remember it, right? So what it says, what the poem says? Yes, the poem says you should be very lucky for what you are having, right? So we have seen the animals. No, what are the animals? Butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo and octopus, right? So what this poem summarize? Yes, you want to be like yourself. You should not look for others. Okay children, you should be thankful for what you are. Okay children, shall we go for the next? So children, open your classwork notes. Okay, so the first one we are going to see is new words. So the first word is wriggle, W-R-I-G-G-L-E, wriggle. Okay, the next one is giggle, G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. The next word is lucky, L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. The next word is glee, G-L-E-E, glee. The next one is hop, H-O-P, hop. Okay, shall we go for the next one? The next one is synonyms. Okay, what is meant by synonym? Yes, meanings. Okay, so we are going to see the meanings for the words. So the first word is lucky, L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. What is the meaning for that? Fortunate, F-O-R-T-U-N-A-T-E, fortunate. Okay, the next word is fall, F-A-L-L, fall. What is the meaning for that? Fall, drop, D-R-O-P, drop. Okay, the next one is jungle, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. The meaning for jungle is forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Okay, the next word is giggle, G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. What is the meaning for that? Laugh, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. The next word is small, S-A-S-M-A-L-L, small. What is the meaning for that? Tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Okay, the next one is antonyms. So what are antonyms? Yes, opposites. So the first word is best, B-E-S-T, best. What is the opposite for that? Worst, W-O-R-S-T, worst. Okay, the next word is cold, C-O-L-D, cold. What is the opposite for that? Hot, H-O-T, hot. The next word is few, F-E-W, few. Opposite for that is many, M-A-N-Y, many. Okay children, the next word is gentle, G-E-N-T-L-E, gentle. What is the opposite for that? Rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough. Okay, the last one is here, H-E-R-E, here. Opposite for that is there, T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay children, shall we go for the next one? So the next one is circle the past form. So there are words given, you need to circle which one is the past form for the word. Okay, so the first one is sing, S-I-N-G, sing. So there are sung, sang and singing words are given. So S-U-N-G, sung, S-A-N-G, sang, S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. So what is the correct past form for sing? Sang. So sang is the answer. The next word is want, W-A-N-T, want. So the words are W-A-N-T-S, wants, W-E-N-T, went, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. So what is the correct answer for that? Yes, wanted. So W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. The next word is like, The words are liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked, L-I-K-N-G, liking, L-I-K-E-S, likes. What is the correct past form for the word? L-I-K-E-D, liked. Okay, children. The next one is try, T-R-Y, try. The words are trying, T-R-Y-I-N-G, trying, T-R-I-E-S, tries, T-R-I-E-D, tried. So the correct circle past form for the word try is tried, T-R-I-E-D, tried. Okay. The next one is think, T-H-I-N-K, think. So the words are thinking, T-H-I-N-K-I-N-G, thinking. Thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought, T-H-I-N-K-S, thinks. So what is the correct past form for that? Yes, thought. So T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Okay, children. We'll go for the next one. The next one is the answer the following. So the first question is list out the animals in the poem. So L-I-S-T, list, O-U-T, out, T-H-E, the, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, P-O-E-M, poem. So what are the animals? Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Next one is elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The next one is octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Okay, children. The next animal is fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Okay, these are the animals, right? So shall we go for the next question? So the question is, what does butterfly have? W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. H-A-V-E, have. What does butterfly have? Yes, colorful wings. So answer is butterfly has colorful wings. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. H-A-S, has. C-O-L-O-R-F-U-L, colorful. W-I-N-G-S, wings. So butterfly has colorful wings. The next question is, how many arms does the octopus have? H-O-W, how, M-A-N-Y, many, A-R-M-S, arms, D-O-E-S, does, T-H-E, the, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus, H-A-V-E, have. How many arms does the octopus have? Octopus has 8 arms. So O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. H-A-S, has. E-I-G-H-T, 8. A-R-M-S, arms. So octopus has 8 arms. The next question is, where does the elephant live? W-H-R-E-R-E, where. D-O-E-S, does. T-H-E, the. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. L-I-V-E, live. So where does the elephant live? The answer is elephant lives in the forest. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. L-I-V-E-S, lives. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Elephant lives in the forest. Okay. The next one is, who is feeling lucky in this poem? Who, W-H-O, who. I-S is F-E-E-L-I-N-G, feeling. L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. I-N, in. T-H-I-S, this. P-O-E-M, poem. So who is feeling lucky in this poem? Yes, the girl is feeling lucky in this poem. So T-H-E, the. G-I-R-L, girl. I-S-S, F-E-E-L-I-N-G, feeling. L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. N-I-N, in. T-H-I-S, this. P-O-E-M, poem. So the girl is feeling lucky in this poem. Okay, children? Understood? Okay, children? Shall we go for the next part? So the next one is grammar. So we are going to see the verbs, right? So we have already seen the verbs, no? What is verb? Yes, a verb. It's a verb that tells what someone or something does. So verb is nothing but a word that describes the action. Okay, so an action word or word of being. So here in this picture, see the boy, what he is doing? He is running, right? Similarly, see in this picture what the girl is doing. She is laughing. So the running, laughing is called as verbs. Okay, children. Some examples are sit, laugh, run, jump. So these are some examples for verbs. Okay. So the next one is verbs is a word that shows action. So a verb is a word that shows action. Okay, children. So first picture, see what the girl is doing. She is jumping. Next one, the baby sleeps. The next one, a man eats a burger. So jumping, sleeps, eats are called verbs. Okay. So shall we see some other examples? Okay. So eating, skipping, running, sleeping. These are all called as verbs. Okay. Okay, children. Hope you all understood, right? So shall we go for the homework part? Okay. First homework is read and write the synonyms, antonyms, and answer the following questions for one time. Okay. So you have to read and write the synonyms and antonyms for one time and answer the following questions for one time. The next one is in grammar part. So circle the verbs correctly. So here there are 10 sentences given. So you have to read the sentences and circle the verbs correctly. So our example, the first one, Tim is throwing the ball. So what is a verb here? Yes, throwing is a verb. It is an action, right? So you have to circle the verbs correctly. Okay, children. So you have to do for the other things. Okay. So learn well. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.